Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. For today's video, we are checking out this LED desk lamp. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. So it is a desk light. Now what we're going to be using it for is a little different than your typical desk light. We're going to be using it for our backdrop. So what you guys are watching now, we have lights that go straight down, but we want something that can shine outward. So they give you a little manual, a little pamphlet card in here. You get your power supply. It is a 2-prong power supply. And let's go ahead and show you guys the light. But you guys can use the light, you know, whatever you want to do. Use it for a desk light or backdrop, social media light. Oh yes, this is gonna work amazing. So guys, this is it. So let's stand back a little bit as you guys can see. So this can be fully adjusted however you want. As you guys can see, it folds up. You can clamp it on a post, a desktop, just by putting it in through this and twisting. Let's see, you got your mode buttons right on here. So once you plug it in, very nice. Yeah, this is nice. Let's go ahead and plug it in and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the light. Now this can turn. So if you guys can see, this bar actually turns. So you can have it positioned different angles out to the side, however you want. What we're going to be doing is putting it behind our camera. That way it's going to give us direct light, because right now we have only lights coming from the top. So we're going to be putting this behind. But you have different modes here, different color lights. Warm, medium, and bright. Actually, you got a couple of modes here. You got brightness modes. As you guys can see, you can make it really bright. On and off, everything is touch. So you just touch sensitive. Different colors again. Let's see if we can show you guys a little better. This a little hard to tell the colors, but very nice. I'm very impressed with this. This is going to work amazing and perfectly. So let me demonstrate what I'm going to be using it for. All right, my friends. So right now, what you guys see is lights from kind of out the side. Now let's turn this one on and show the difference. Now, can you guys see how it made things brighter? Now, when I'm standing back, the color is a little different, but when I turn the new light on, now it gives us more light, and we can adjust our temperature here. So if you guys can see my face, you can kind of see the color temperature changing. So if we want just a warm, natural light, normally you want warm when it's dark out or whatnot, but yeah, this is nice. This is awesome, guys. So let's take this here. You guys can see now my setup here, and this light bar just adds to it, which is really nice.